Hey guys, Mr. Hido here back with another video. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Logitech MK270. I don't recommend this keyboard as I've had it before. This is a free one that I got off Logitech as a replacement for my old one, as it still had warranty. Okay, so problem with this keyboard is it has disconnection problems. It's very common and known, so I'm not sure how long this replacement is going to last, but it's free, I can't complain. So once this dies as well, I guess I'll get another one, because it most likely will. So what happens is this chip is very weak, the transponder chip. So whilst you're playing and stuff or doing whatever, it'll stop responding. It just completely cuts out because it can't get a signal. That's how it is. Unless you're sitting, like, say there's transformers there and you're sat there, but that's a wireless keyboard. Why should you sit there? Do you know what I mean? You might as well get wired one. So with a wireless one, if my PC is just down there, say it's just down there and I'm here, it should work fine. But with this, it'll cut out. Say, so my brother uses this on my budget PC that you've seen on my channel before. So what happens is he'll be playing GTA and then the keyboard just completely cuts off for like 10-15 seconds, and then you keep doing that every couple of minutes. It's not very good, is it? So we've got a replacement one. So this is the MK270, which is the same model again. Okay, so this is a full size wireless combo. I'm recording this because I've not done an unboxing of it on my channel as far as I'm aware. Logitech. It's got 36-month battery life on the keyboard, 18 months on the mouse. Okay, let's have a look here. So everything's included already with the batteries and stuff. Yep, that should work fine. Not much else on here. Let's have a look at the back. There you go. Okay, full size comfort, low profile whisper quiet keys. I'll be honest, the keyboard itself is quite nice. It's got an on off button and everything, and it's a really cool design. I like it. If they sorted out that one thing, they could have had a really good product. Computers at fingertips. You got all the buttons at the top, extra multimedia buttons, battery life, and simple reliable wireless is just not reliable, is it? Okay, so let's go ahead and open this. I don't think I need the scissors. Or do I? Yeah, I might need the scissors. I might not. No, I'll just use scissors. I'm just gonna pause the video for 1 second. Alright guys, cut it. Okay, so that's the mouse. We never had a problem with the mouse, so that's fine. Okay. And there's your USB. This is the new one. Just in regular dongle. Oh, and this is the new keyboard. Just paperwork in there, I believe, if anything. Oh no, nothing all left in there. That's alright. Okay, normally they give paperwork. So this keyboard itself just comes in a bit of a... Oh, there's paperwork. Ah, this is a bit different to the other one. The other one, the buttons here weren't silver, they were fully black. So it's not exactly the same, I guess. So let's hope for the best. Maybe it's a revised model that they've sorted out. So yeah, let's go ahead and open it. So you can pick that up usually for about £20, 20 something pound. Before that I had a Polaroid one, which was very bad. I got it from Asda, and Asda owns Polaroid, so yeah. That was just as a temporary one, and then I thought Logitech's a good brand, I'll buy the Logitech one. It lasted good for a year, and then all the problems started with the keyboard. So yeah, so this keyboard itself, buttons feel very good. This is more revised than the other one, so I'm liking that. So you got the multimedia buttons, play, volume down, mute, volume down, volume up, home button, email, turning off PC, calculator. Okay, and some Muppets left it on, I believe, unless... No, that's fine, that's in. I thought some Muppet left it on, so the battery drains while it's in the fucking thingy, I guess. So now that I've got this keyboard, you can do the 3 years warranty with this one, which is pretty good. Okay, that's one thing I like about Logitech, the warranty is very good. Okay, so this is the new mouse. Nothing's been changed on this one, it looks the exact same. Yeah, that's about it. So yeah, I'll let you know. You'll probably find out in a future video if this ever decides to break again. You'll find out, but I'm hoping for the best, as it is a replacement. But yeah, it's the same model, so who knows, just don't know yet. Anyways guys, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and check out more of the videos, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.